This product is designed to empower the user regarding different types of automotive body construction and various chassis cutting equipments. The learner will be able to understand the process of MIG, MAG, and spot welding, chassis repair processes, such as removing center pillar, chassis cutting, and installation of center pillar, etc. The learner will also learn the replacement process of windshield glass, and cleaning and measuring process of windshield glass. Increase your technical skills on repairing of chassis system through real-life simulation at the comfort of your home.